Hey guys, and welcome to Simply Hike. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Berghaus Trek jacket. So let's take a closer look now. What you'll notice, obviously the jacket itself is nice and lightweight. So and it also has the AQ2 waterproofing as well, so it's going to keep you nice and dry no matter the weather. Anyway, let's take a closer look at some of the key features. First off, I'm going to talk about the high neck. Obviously what you'll notice is it's got obviously a high neck, so it's going to give you protection from the wind and from the rain. Also means it's going to, reduce the wind chill as well. What you'll notice in the neck as well, there's quite a lot of room in there, generous room. So if you've got a chute or you've got a scarf, you're not going to suffocate basically. It's going to, keep you nice and snug. You've got the adjusters on the side there, which obviously play accordance to the hood. I'll go into more detail into that a little bit later. Now you do have two chest pockets. Nice and spacious, nice and deep, pretty much from that top section all the way down to this around about here as well. So ideal ideal length if you've got some OS maps or some Harvey maps. And as I say, that's all mimicked on the same side as well. And just to top it off, they are secure zips, so whatever you pop in there will stay safe and secure. You've got two traditional hip pockets. Obviously they are seamed as well, so it's going to keep them nice and dry. Not 100%, and that's obviously purely for the crack that goes down the middle to obviously get into the pocket. Nice and spacious on the inside, pretty much from that top section there all the way down to that bottom section here. So yet again, got great length and great depth. Also, you've got the stuff sack pocket that it comes into. So this jacket scrunches all up, or should I say neatly folded and rolled up, can go into this little stuff sack here, pull the drawstring on the top there, and then hey presto, you've got your coat in there. So ideal if you're, doing a bit of lightweight backpacking, especially ideal as well if you're going to be doing a bit of trail running. Anyway, let's take a closer look at the inside of the jacket. Obviously you've got a storm flap covering the main zip, and then obviously that is also doubled up as well, so it is double protection before you even get to the zip. So that's going to assure waterproofness and obviously wind chill as well. If you open up the main zip, you've got a nice, just an additional feature there, because obviously this is going to be going against your chin and your neck. That's nice and soft and fleece lined there, so that's just going to offer a bit of comfort. Now on the inside, what you'll notice, it is pretty much just a shell jacket. They try to keep it as lightweight as possible. So what you'll see is all the seams and all the should we say stitchings all sealed up there for you, just to assure the waterproofness. Other than that, the only other thing you do have in here, obviously the toggle systems on here, and something I didn't mention before, but it actually has got pit vents as well. So that's the inner part, and I'll zip it up and I'll just briefly show you those before we take a look at the back. But other than that, as I say, it pretty much is exactly what it says on the tin on the inside. Anyway, the pit vents, like I showed you on the inside, they are seamed as well as sealed flapped as well, so they're going to keep you nice and dry. Nice simple open zip. That's going to enable nice cool air to go out throughout the jacket. Anyway, let's take a closer look at the back. So what you'll notice, obviously it's an alpine fit to it, so it's slightly tucked in on the sides there, and it does have a lower bum section. Basically what that means is the jacket itself is going to move with you. So if you're going to be doing a bit of running, a bit of trail running, a bit of fell walking, fell running, that sort of thing, this is definitely the jacket to look into. As I say, it's going to move with you rather than against you. And that's going to work perfectly within their layering system as well. What's quite nice, the safety features that they've added, you've got the reflective panels on the back here. So obviously for head torches and stuff, obviously because it's quite a dark jacket, that's going to make you stand out. You also have it on the actual strap here as well. As I say, these features are really good. Anyway, let's talk about the hood now. So the volume itself is nice and spacious. Now, obviously earlier in the video I showed you the two toggle systems on the front. That works in conjunction with the toggle system on the back. So playing around with these means you can get the actual hood itself to fit your head, so you can get a really nice and almost a perfect fit. But then also that ties in nicely with this peaked hood. Now this peak is a serious peak, it's a really nice peak. But as I say, playing around with the toggle systems, that's just basically going to firm the top part up, so you'll be able to see where you're going, you'll be able to see where you've been, you'll be able to turn around and see where you've been as well. Also that's going to help with your peripheral vision. Anyway, if you'd like any more information on this jacket, please visit our website simplyhike.co.uk.